My name is Adiza. I'm from Upper West and I was diagnosed with cancer. So I started the treatment there. Then they referred me to Konfanachi Teaching Hospital. When I came, I did other tests. By the time they referred me to the treatment center, all my finance finished. So when the doctor gave me the price I'll pay for the treatment, I started crying at the consulting room because all the money I brought at the hospital has finished. And fortunately on my part, Dr. Sam asked me, Adiza, why are you crying? I said, the money I have is not up. And he told me that don't cry. I'll contact a company and see whether they can help you.